Look, this is a 20 gram of the genius weft. Actually, it's normally it's genius weft or bundles, any for this one. So some customer ask me why I cannot offer only few pieces like you see this one is 20 gram. Some customer they want me to just cut like 5 gram or only few pieces like this, only few pieces. They say they just want to see the feel the hair quality and to check the hair color. I say I don't offer that type of hair because you cannot really feel how the hair look like after install because this is the best way to feel the real quality and the real color, how it looks like. Only 20 gram. A lot of customers start to make this one. You see, this is 20 gram. Now you can feel the real quality and how it looks like. This density is very perfect. This one. And let me show you another color. This is another color. So you check. It's perfect. So if you have hair salons or you have a very high quality hair shop, I suggest you to do this type of packages so your customer can feel the quality. It's a good amount of hair to let the clients to feel the real quality and the hair. Let me tell you some secret in the hair business. It does not cost too much money just for a few pieces of the hair to show customers light. Yes, I know before many years ago, a lot of hair vendors would do this for their customers, but this this feeling and this feeling, the feeling of the hair, the quality of the hair is so different. You know, they can give you very good quality hair. It's very low cost, you see. But after you get the full bundle of the hair, you don't know if it's the same material once you get a lot of hair. You understand me? So when I send a good amount of hair sample to the salons, they have all this type of feeling. So when they get a full bundle, when they get full bundle like this, when they get full bundle like this, yes, they know if they are getting the real quality hair or not, because I already helped them. I already helped them to uh, avoid making mistake in the hair business. So this is the better way. This one, it's very good brand. This one. Let me show you another color in the next videos.